Alright, so it's been almost 2 years now in the making, and I think I'm ready to part ways with the Cafe Sabre. I think it's time to free up some space in the garage and pick up a different platform for the next project. So for those of you that have followed the channel until now and the build, it's for sale. I will be posting the links in the description with kind of everything that's been done to it, and links to the build series to see what I did with it and how it was done. The bike currently runs. The carburetors are all clean, synced up, starts up every time, even if it's been sitting for a few months. It should pass safety no problem. Yeah, let's check out how it starts. Do a cold start. So here's the cylinders. They're at 24 Celsius right now, so pretty cold. 25 on the front, 26 on the sunny side, and 26. Okay, and cold start. Ignition, everything turns on, give it some choke. Make sure that throttle is nice and snappy. Let it run a little bit to warm up, and then we're going to measure the temperatures again and show you how it idles. And this is the bike idling. You can see the choke is fully off. It's idling at about 2700 RPM. Now, because this is an aftermarket odometer, it is a little bit inflated. Technically it's idling closer to 1100 or 1000 RPM. In terms of temperatures, we can see the rear cylinder is 95, 107, 108, 110, 97. So the rear two cylinders are running a little bit cooler, but that's because it might be still warming up. But it idles just fine. It revs. All of the carburetors are synchronized, so everything works fine. You're getting fuel everywhere and no oil leaks. Alright guys, so make sure to subscribe, hit the little bell for notifications when your videos become available. Check me out on Instagram at Balkan Moto 2018, and check out balkanmoto.com. And if you want to make an offer on the bike, reach out to me through any other channels. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.